Hello. Remember, we are in Unit 4, Week 12, Day 2, Tuesday, May 4th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click Async. We have 3 activities in Async. The first one is in MEL, My English Lab, and you will do in Unit 4, express purpose, reason or contrast grammar, the coach, and exercises 1 and exercise 2. Your second activity is a comparative and superlatives picture activity. So you will look at these pictures of people and of buildings and of phones, and you will write some sentences about them. So, for example, I could do, and you're going to do 2 to 3 sentences for each category. So let's say I choose this one. I can say Kevin Hart is the shortest, and or I can say Shaquille O'Neal, Shaq, is the tallest of the men in these pictures. Okay, I can say Albert Einstein is the smartest man. Well, we don't know, really, we don't know. But you're going to do 2 to 3 for each of these categories, and you will put your sentences in the comment section. Your next activity is for sequencing. Yesterday we did something with sequencing. So remember, you have to sign into your Carlos Rosario email first, then come back, click My Document, and then click Edit. So here is the document. You are going to read this paragraph and you are going to type the steps of signing into a laptop. Okay, logging on and logging off the laptop. So here they have everything. They have all the steps, but you need to write them out clearly. So they have step number 1, open the laptop carefully. And then what do you do after that? And all the way down. All right. And that's it for async. It's Tuesday, so we have class together. Let's go to sync. And we're going to go into our groups for One World and do our second article. Okay, we will do our second article. And that's it for today. Good luck.